welcome back once again to the channel. There's this 2D exercise drawing that I want us to practice in AutoCAD. Okay, so let's see the dimensions and then remove. So if you're looking at this, the dimensions are very small and they are also in millimeters. So remember, now the diameter or the end to end distance of this, you can see shown here 8.4, and the radius for this inside smaller circle is 1.6, and the center to center distance of this is 6 shown here. And if you look at this circle, is bigger than this, and the radius is 2.35, and the center to center of this entire thing is 12.7. and let's see the radius of this one also is 1.65, and the radius for this is actually the same as this, because 4.2 will give you the 8.4, and then there's a cutout here, an angle of 60 degrees, and then this gap is having a distance of 1.5. so let's open our AutoCAD and start drawing. So first of all, we choose a center diameter and then draw this circle, diameter 8.4. so let's use 8.4. so it becomes very small, so unless you zoom out. Okay, and then we'll copy that is this distance of 12.7. so let's copy this one. You can use the shortcut CO, click anywhere and then drag, make sure it's horizontal, then enter 12.7 for the distance. Alright, now I'll choose line to join the quadrant to quadrant, join this side also. Okay, and then trim. I can use the shortcut or I can use this, so let's just trim here. Alright, now let's draw this inner circle. So radius is 1.6, so pick center radius, bring your mouse here, you see the center point, enter 1.6. good, and then from this center point to this center point, the circle radius is 2.35 and the distance is 6. so let's pick center radius, bring the mouse to this center, don't click, just drag, then the distance is 6, so enter 6 for the distance, and then you can enter the radius, which is 2.35. okay, now there's a tangent line, so pick line, press and hold your shift key, right click, and then click tangent. Now click this circle, the same thing, press and hold the shift key, right click and pick tangent, attach it to this circle. Now let's mirror, select, go to mirror, find the center mark. Now you have to select no, if not it will erase this side, so we can trim here. Okay, so click the trim command, let's trim here. Alright, now let's come here, let's draw this circle of radius 1.65, the center radius 1.65. okay, and now if you watch, okay, let's do this cutout here before. So just pick a line, then just draw from center to center. Okay, now from here you can see the gap between these two is 1.5. okay, so we are going to divide it into 2. Now if you divide 1.5, you get 0.75, so you offset this line 0.75. so click offset, then the radius, it says specify offset distance, so 0.75. now press enter, click this line, move up and down. Good. Now from here we can trim, you can use the shortcut TR, and then we trim this side. Okay, now you can see there is a cutout here with the angle 60. So this is how you are going to do it. Pick a line command from the center, just drag it enough to cross this one. Now enter a forget about the distance, you need the angle, so just press tab to shift to the angle column. This is the length, you don't need the length now, you just need the angle. So enter 30 and then you press enter. Okay, so now we will mirror this line, select it and then go to mirror and just click, then select no. Okay, so now you can trim this one. Okay, so this is what is expected of us. Now you can increase the line width from here, and you see you have your nice work neatly and nicely done. Now let's give dimensions. Now for me to give dimension, I'll create a layer. I always like to create layers for my dimensions so that it will be on a separate layer. So I'll give it a name and I'll change the color to say yellow. Then I'll change the line width. If I don't change the line width, it will pick this line thickness, which I don't want it. Okay, so just go to line width here, then reduce it. Okay, so from here I can just make this layer active, and then I can start with my dimension. So go to here and then pick linear. Let's start from linear. Now you can see the dimension is too big because the figures are very small, so let's reduce it. Go to manage dimension style and then go to modify symbols and arrow. Now let's leave it at 0.8, or let's try 1 and see. Let's try 1. Close. Okay, so I think 1 is not bad, so let's leave it as 1, and then let's dimension this one also. So pick the radius, dimension this one, and then radius again, dimension this, radius for this. Okay, so let's check this one also. Okay, now let's take linear and dimension this part. So let's dimension this side. So pick linear, then from center to center say 6, and then from this side let's pick linear again from the center to the center of this circle. Also it's 12.7, and now let's go for angular, and we can dimension here. You can see it's 60. Okay, so now remaining this side, so let's pick linear, then dimension here, which is 1.5, but it seems it's too big, so it's showing down here. Now I'd like to reduce it. Let's try and reduce it small so that will be fine. So just go to manage dimension style, modify, and then go to symbols and arrows, and then change it. Let's make it 0. Let's take 7, and then text also let's make it 0.7. Okay, and then let's see. Alright, so I think it's a bit better now, and what is remaining now is this this radius. Okay, I think this one too, so let's pick radius. All right, so it's done here, and then I think that's all. So thank you all for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to the channel, you share, and then you like as well. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and then I'm going to attend to it. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.